country whose permanent neutrality has been recognized 3 times in the world is our lovely motherland Turkmenistan. On December 12, 1995, for the first time, 185 member states of the Commonwealth of Nations adopted the resolution Permanent Neutrality of Turkmenistan. In 1998, in a beautiful corner of Ashgabat was built a 95-meter building, the Ark of Neutrality. This magnificent building is an eternal column, personifying the integrity and unity of our people. In 2007, with the support of all countries in the region, the United Nations Regional Center for Preventive Diplomacy for Central Asia was established, which increased the prestige of Turkmenistan. On June 3, 2015, with the unanimous support of 193 states, the resolution Permanent Neutrality of Turkmenistan was adopted for the second time, thereby further strengthening our policy of neutrality. In 2017, at the initiative of Turkmenistan, the United Nations General Assembly declared December 12 as the International Day of Neutrality. During the 2024, upon the initiative of Turkmenistan, the resolutions Zone of Peace, Trust and Cooperation of Central Asia, United Nations Games, Treaty on a Nuclear Weapon-Free Zone in Central Asia were also adopted. Upon the initiative of Turkmenistan, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the resolution International Year of Peace and Trust 2025, which was adopted anonymously with the co-sponsorship of 86 states. On March 21, 2025, the United Nations General Assembly anonymously adopted the resolution Permanent Neutrality of Turkmenistan for the third time, which increased the pride of our people. This year we celebrate 2 significant events: the 30th anniversary of Turkmenistan's acquisitions of the status of permanent neutrality and the 18th anniversary of the founding of the United Nations. Turkmenistan continues to promote the principle of dialogue is a guarantee of peace in interstate relations and diplomacy.